Hello viewers, welcome to ABIR'S KnowledgeHut. Before starting, be alert. If you delete your Gmail, then all the services added with your Gmail will be deleted. For example, if your YouTube account is added with Gmail, its data will be lost. So be careful. So let's get it started. First, enter to your Gmail on mobile. You will see a logo in the top right corner. Click on the logo. From there you will see Google account. Click on it. Then a page will open. Scroll to the left and click on the data and privacy option. Then scroll down from there. You will get delete account option. So after clicking delete your Google account, you will be asked for password. Enter your password. Then a page will open. Read the page very carefully because it says that if the account is deleted, what will happen. So it is very important for you. Then scroll down to the end and tick the last two options. And lastly, click on delete account. So your account will delete. It's enough for today. Generally, I upload video in Bangla. So if you want Bangla videos, then please subscribe, share, comment and like. Thanks for the day.